Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on group, lecture number 12, in which I will discuss on symmetric group. Now we define symmetric group Sn. Let Sn be the set of all permutations on the finite set S. S contains elements 1, 2, 3, n. We may examine that Sn forms a group with respect to multiplication of permutations. Number 1. Let F, G belong to Sn. Therefore, F and G are permutations on the set S. Permutation means bijective mapping. Therefore, F and G are bijective mappings defined on the set S onto the set S. Implies that the composite mapping FG is also bijective. If F and G be two bijective mappings, then their composite mapping is also a bijective mapping. That means Fg is a permutation on S. That means Fg belongs to Sn. Hence, closure law holds in Sn. Number 2. Let Fgh belong to Sn. That means Fgh are all permutations on S. Permutations means bijective mapping. Therefore, FGH are bijective mappings defined on S onto S. Since multiplication of permutations is a composite mapping, therefore G composite H is a composite mapping, and since G and H are bijective mappings, therefore their composite mapping will be also a bijective mapping. F is a bijective mapping and GH is a bijective mapping. Therefore, F dot under bracket G dot H is a composite mapping. We know that composite of mappings satisfy the associative law. Therefore, F dot under bracket G dot H equal to under bracket F dot G dot H. Hence, associative law holds in Sn with respect to binary operation, multiplication of permutations. Number 3. Since I be the identity permutation and identity permutation I is written as image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3, image of n is n. Let F be any element of Sn. That means F is a permutation on S. And since we know that multiplication of F with identity permutation will be F. That means I dot F equal to F dot I equal to F for all F belongs to Sn. Therefore, I is the identity element in Sn. Number 4. Let F be a permutation in which image of 1 is F1, image of 2 is F2, dot dot dot, image of n is Fn. Since it is a permutation on set S containing elements 1, 2, dot 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 n. Therefore, this permutation will belong to Sn. Since F1, F2, Fn are n distinct elements of S. Since F is a permutation, that means F is a mapping defined on set S onto S. Therefore, all the image will be elements of S, and since it is a bijective mapping, so all the image will be distinct. So F1, F2, dot dot dot, Fn all are n distinct element of S. Let G be a permutation in which image of F1 is 1, image of F2 is 2, dot dot dot, image of Fn is n. Since in the first row all elements are elements of S and they are distinct, so this is a permutation on S. That means G belongs to Sn. It is clear that multiplication of GF and FG all are identity permutation. Therefore, G is the inverse of F. Hence, for each F belongs to Sn, we get its inverse in Sn. Therefore, Sn with binary composition multiplication is a group. Now, we will show that multiplication is not commutative in Sn. For this, we take a particular example. Let F be a permutation on S such that image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1, and image of 3 is 3, image of 4 is 4, and dot dot dot, image of n is n. Therefore, F belongs to Sn, and G be another permutation in which image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 4, dot 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 dot, image of n is n. G belongs to Sn. Now we multiply Fg. Here we write F, here G. So firstly we have to take G. Now we write 1, 2, 3, 4, dot 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 n. Here image of 1 is 3 and here image of 3 is 3. So here we write 3 under 1. Now we work for 2. Here we take image of 2 is 2 and here image of 2 is 1. So here we write 1. Now we work for 3. Image of 3 is 1 and here image of 1 is 2. So we write 2 here. Image of 4 is 4. Here also image of 4 is 4. So we write here 4. And so on. Image of n is n and here also image of n is n. Here we write n and here n. Now we find GF. Here we write G, here F. Firstly, we write here 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 n, and we work on this. Image of 1 is 2. Here image of 2 is 2. So we write 2 under 1. Now we work for 2. Here image of 2 is 1. Here image of 1 is 3. So we write here 3. Now we work for 3. Image of 3 is 3. Here image of 3 is 1. We write here 1. Here image of 4 is 4. Here also image of 4 is 4. So we write 4 under 4. And similarly, image of n is n. Here also image of n is n. We write here n. Here we see that Fg equal to this and Gf equal to this. Right side are not equal, therefore left side will not be equal. Fg not equal to Gf. Therefore multiplication is not commutative on Sn. Hence Sn with binary composition multiplication is a non-commutative group. This group is called symmetric group of degree n. Now we discuss about symmetric group S3. Let S3 be the set of all permutations on the set S containing 3 elements 1, 2 and 3. The elements of S3 are row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Each of these are bijective mappings, and we write row 0 as image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3. Similarly, row 1, image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1. And here we see that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. That means in cycle form, this is 3 cycle. 1, 2, 3. 3 cycle permutation. Similarly, row 2 is also another 3 cycle permutation. Row 3 is 2 cycle permutation. Row 4 is also 2 cycle permutation, and row 5 is 2 cycle permutation. The composition table is as follows. Firstly, we write row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 on the topmost row, and also we write these in leftmost column. Now we multiply row 0 and row 0, row 0 and row 1, row 0 and row 2, and we write all these results in the table. Since S contains elements 1, 2 and 3, a permutation on S is a bijective mapping defined on S onto S. S3 be the collection of all these bijective mappings, and multiplication of permutation is composition of 2 bijective mappings. So it is also a bijective mapping from S onto S. So this composite mapping must belong to S3, since composite mapping is a bijective mapping and bijective mapping is a permutation. Number 1, from composition table it is seen that each entry of the composition table is a member of S3. So S3 is closed. Number 2, we know that composition of bijective mapping is associative. So S3 is associative under multiplication of permutations. Number 3, it appears from the row of row 0 in the table, that row 0 is the left identity element, because row 0 multiply row 0 is row 0, row 0 multiply row 1 equal to row 1, row 0 multiply row 2 equal to row 0 multiply row 3 is row 3, row 0 multiply row 4 is row 4, row 0 multiply row 5 is row 5. Similarly, from the column of row 0, it is seen that row 0 is the identity, means right identity, and from this case row 0 is the left identity. Therefore, row 0 is left identity as well as right identity. That means row 0 is the identity element of S3. Number 4, from the table it is clear that inverses of row 0 is row 0, inverse of row 1, here we see row 1, here we see row 0. So row 1 multiply row 2 equal to row 0. Also row 2 multiply row 1 is row 0, means identity element. That is, row 1 is the inverse of row 2 and row 2 is the inverse of row 1. Here row 3, here row 3, here row 0. So row 3 is the inverse of row 3. Here row 4, here row 0. So row 4 is the inverse of row 4. Row 5, here row 0. Row 5 is the inverse of row 5. So we get inverse of each of the elements of S3 in S3. Number 5, since the table is not symmetric about principal diagonal, therefore S3 is not commutative. Therefore S3 with binary composition multiplication of permutations is a non-commutative group. This group is called symmetric group of degree 3. The order of the group is 6. That is, number of elements in S3 6. Now we give a note. The set of even permutations on the set S containing elements 1, 2, n forms a group with respect to multiplication of permutations. This group is called the alternating group of degree n and is denoted by an. An contains half multiplied by factorial n elements. Since Sn contains factorial n number of elements, and in the set of permutations, number of even permutations equal to number of odd permutations. Therefore, number of even permutations will be half into factorial n. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.